different kinds of animals around us. Some animals are big, while some animals are small. But there are some animals which are kept at home just for fun. They are called pet animals. Dogs, cats, turtles, rabbits, parrots, and fish are the most common pets which children love to have. Here, I will tell you a story about a boy named Yash and his pet dog Moti. So let's start. Story time, Yash and Moti. Yash was happy. His mother bought him new shoes. He woke up early in the morning. He went out to look at his new shoes. Oh no, he cried. There is only one shoe here. Where is my other shoe? He looked everywhere. He couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Just then, Moti came and started wagging his tail. He barked, "Bow wow!" Yash looked at Moti. "Moti, have you seen my shoe?" "Bow wow!" Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Yash followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. A big, fat rat had carried it there. Yash picked it up. "Thank God," he said. "The rat has not nibbled my shoe. It is in good condition." "Bow wow," Moti agreed. "Thank you, Moti," said Yash. Now children, why did Yash say thank you to Moti over here? Yes, because Moti helped Yash to find his lost shoe. So that's why Yash thanked Moti. Did you understand the story, children? What do you understand through the story? A dog is a very loyal and faithful animal. This shows that they too have feelings and emotions. Children, when someone hits you or slaps you, you feel hurt, isn't it? Same way, your pets also get hurt if you hit them with a stick or a stone or kick them. They also feel hurt. You know that? And फिर अगर उनको गुस्सा आ गया तो वो क्या करेंगे? They will bite you. They will harm you. So that is why, children, what do you learn through the story? That we must be kind to animals because they are also living. They also have emotions. So never harm animals. Okay, class? Thank you.